is when you want to show your ad to the people that have interacted with your business before, people that have visited your website, they have watched your ad video, they have visited your pages, they interacted with your ad, like liking and commenting and sharing. Those are the kind of people you want to reach, all right? Because these people are called the warm audience. They have had knowledge about your business before. So you want Facebook to show them your ad again, hoping that this time around they are going to make a buying decision, or if they have bought in the past, they will still buy your new product. All right. So how do you create the retargeting ad, or how do you run the retargeting ad? We are going to come to the create button right here. When we come to click the create button, it is going to take us to the campaign objective page. All right, now depending on whatever ad you want, what objective you want to use. If you want to use awareness, you use any objective you wish to use based on the result you want. If you don't understand what campaign objective is, I would like you, or I will refer you to the training video on campaign objective explanation. But for this, I am going to use sales for the sake of for the sake of wait, let me use lead. For the sake of this test, I'm going to use lead. I'm going to click continue. Okay, we are here now. I'm going to go ahead and name the campaign. All right, so let's give this campaign a name. We are going to say the campaign is testy, and we are going to come down here and turn on the advantage campaign budget, and I'm going to enter my daily budget here. I'll leave it at $20. All right, and I'm going to go on to click next. Now when you click next, I want to advise, if you're doing this on your phone, please do not click the next button twice. Now for this, because I want to retarget the people that have visited my website before, so in this place I have the option to name my ad set, but I usually don't name my ad set unless I want to test different ad set. All right, but because I am not testing ad set for this, I'm going to go ahead to click the website, because I want to target people that have visited that website before. Now after clicking website, the pixel I created is right here, Asha. All right, so I'm going to choose the conversion event that I want. I'm going to say I want those website visitors to make purchase on my website. Remember, events are different. You can tell Facebook to that the conversion event you want to use is people to view your page, people to view your content, people to add to cart, people to initiate checkout. But for me, I want them to buy something. That is why I am using the purchase event. I'm going to come down here to schedule. I have the opportunity to schedule my ad. These days, I suggest that people schedule their ad. You can schedule your ad and tell Facebook that you want this ad to start in the next 24 hours or 48 hours, all right? Or you can leave it for the ad to start running when Facebook is done reviewing your ad. So I'm going to come down here. This is where I do targeting. So for this place, I am going to go to custom audiences and search for the custom audience that I have created. Now I have created a custom audience when I was creating audiences, and the custom audience was named Flower. So I'm going to go ahead and click it. So I'm retargeting my website visitors. I'm going to untick this. They are saying you should reach people beyond your custom audience when it's likely to improve your performance. I usually untick it because I don't trust Facebook. That's a trick for them to spend all my money on irrelevant targeting. Now I'm going to come down here and do the detailed targeting. All right, I could say all the people that have visited my website, Facebook should target only those people that are in Nigeria. I could tell Facebook to help me target the people that are between the ages of 22 to 40. I could leave it like this. So I am going to leave it like this. Facebook should just help me target everyone that has visited my website before. So after doing that, the next thing you want to do is click the next button, and it will take you to the last level, which is the ad level, where you create your ad. So we are right here in the ad level. In the ad level, is going to ask us to select the Facebook page we want to, the Facebook business page you want to use, and the Instagram account we want to use. I am hoping that by this time you should have already connected your Instagram account to the Facebook page, or your client should already have done that. All right. So as you can see here, this is my Facebook page. This Facebook page, Brilliant Sales Girl, is not connected to any Instagram account yet. They're asking me if I want to connect account from the ad manager here, or I want only Facebook audience to see the ad. I'm going to leave it at this because I am going to find time to do the connection later. All right, so I'm going to go on here. If you want to create your ad right here on ad manager, you can leave it like this and move on and move down. But if you want to use a post that you have created on your page before, you're going to click the create ad, and it will display use existing post. Then you go ahead and use an existing post. But for me, I'm going to try to create an ad here because I have not done anything on that page before. So for me to create an ad, I'm going to come down here and click on add media. Do not forget, I think I skipped this stage, that this place gives you an opportunity to choose if you want to use a single video or a single image, or if you want to use more than one image or video. You're going to be needing to run the carousel ad. All right, so let's go down here. Down here, you're going to come to media. You click on add media. You add the image or video that you want to use. Do not forget that when you come here, because I have not really done anything on this ad account, that is why this place is almost blank. This picture you see here is my Facebook page profile picture, and it is okay for it to appear here. If I want to upload from my gallery, I'll click on this upload, and I'll go to the folder where I have the picture I want to upload. Now for this folder, I have some pictures here, and I will just use any picture from this place. Now when you come to well, after uploading the picture or while trying to upload the picture, you will see a meta review in progress banner here which say we review all media for potential advertising policy issues. You can still submit your ad. Any media with potential issue will display a warning icon. So what this means is not that your picture or your video is already rejected. They are just giving you a warning that maybe after reviewing the ad they might reject your ad, alright, or they might warn you that this particular ad creative, this particular picture or video you are using is against the Facebook advertising policy and you should change it. So but for now you can go ahead and click the next button below to upload the picture or video that you brought in from your gallery. Usually when I come to this place, I just cancel. I don't click next because it delays the process and it's still the same thing. So I just click on cancel, and after clicking on cancel you will notice that the picture has been uploaded. Yes, so this is actually what I'm trying to talk about. You can see here that the picture that I tried to upload is uploaded, alright. Okay, now this is where you enter your ad copy, which is actually referred to as your primary text. The primary text, let's enter something. Let's type this is an ad copy. Please read me. Now, I always advise that you don't write your ad copy here. You write it somewhere on your notepad, then you copy it to your ad manager. Please read on. Now this is the text, the primary text that you've added. If you come down, you're going to add, I'm going to add a headline that says join the academy and after adding the headline, sorry, I think this went to, you can add another description that says few slots available. Now all of this headline and description that you've added is going to give your ad more understand, like people who see your ad can, it will make them take action the more because you're calling them to action with the headline and description. So I want to show you how it looks like after adding that. Now this is it. This is how it shows. Join the academy, few slots available. Now this is the button. The button says learn more. You have an opportunity to select another button if you want to change the button. So let's go back and select another button. Sorry, I think I saw that button place. Okay, now this is the call to action button where you select button, alright. So now these are all the buttons that are available. You can select this, you can select get offer, get code, get show times, learn more, listen more, order now, play game, any button at all you want to, any call to action you want to use, you can go ahead and use them. But for purchase or for anything that has to do with website, many people including myself use the learn more call to action. So we're going to stick with that for this test also. Now you will need to enter the URL, because I am running the ad to my website. I will need to enter the URL. So I'm going to come down here to my website and copy my website URL. Then I'll come to this website URL area and control paste it. Now down here they are asking me the link I want Facebook to display on the ad. That means you have the opportunity to either leave the website URL or tell them to display another link. Now what this means is, if you have a website, you will have some other pages like the contact page, a landing page, or any other page. All right, now you have the opportunity to run ads to that page, but in the display link you can still enter the general website link. All right, that is the one that is going to be displayed on the ad. So as you can see here, the link I added has been displayed, but I left that display link because it is optional. Now after doing that, you're going to come down and publish your ad because your ad is ready. What I usually advise is for people to always check this place I have in draft. If it's showing setup error, please do not publish your ad. Go ahead and find the error, the place where the errors are, and edit those errors before you proceed to publishing your ad. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video, or see you in the support group where we share more ideas and support you until you are able to do this perfectly.